Developing wealth is usually a gradual process. While the notion of achieving millionaire status overnight is tempting for many, the only feasible ways to achieve rapid riches are through speculation, inheritance, or lottery wins. It's interesting to note that the most effective method to generate wealth quickly is to chart a sensible course towards long-term growth. By saving and investing as soon as possible, your money can compound faster, which is the genuine secret to wealth creation. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 ways to increase your net worth as rapidly as possible without taking on excessive risk. Number 1. Save money. Building wealth requires having funds to invest, and you must start saving as soon as you begin earning an income. Therefore, saving as much money as possible should be your top priority in any wealth-building plan. One popular technique recommended by financial advisors is paying yourself first, which involves saving a portion of your income as soon as you receive it, before spending it on anything else, including bills. This method involves setting aside a specific amount of money into a savings or investment account before you pay any other expenses. While the idea of allocating a portion of your income to savings before paying bills may seem counterintuitive, it's an excellent way to prioritize your long-term financial well-being over short-term expenses. Additionally, forcing yourself to save money can help develop good financial habits, which will pay dividends in the future. Though it may require reducing your discretionary spending, this technique can help you accumulate wealth quickly and compound your savings over time. Number 2. Don't be too conservative. To generate significant wealth, it's essential to balance your risk appetite with prudent investment practices. Being too cautious can limit your wealth growth, just as being excessively speculative can endanger your savings. Taking calculated risks, such as investing more aggressively or launching your own business, is necessary if you aim to achieve substantial financial success. Investing solely in treasury bills, for instance, may result in a negative real return when considering taxes and inflation. Diversifying your investments across stocks, real estate, cryptocurrency, or starting your own venture can help you gain exposure to higher returns. However, it's essential to note that speculative investments can expose you to higher risks. Number 3. Buy dividend-paying stocks. While dividend-paying stocks may not seem like an exciting or fast way to generate wealth, they can actually be an effective method for accessing a stable and steadily growing source of income and capital gains. The dividend aristocrats, which are established, well-known companies in the S&P 500 index such as Coca-Cola and McDonald's, are a prime example of this. These companies have raised their dividends for at least 25 consecutive years, indicating their stability and reliability as investments. Investors who purchased these companies 25 years ago are now enjoying substantial effective yields on their original investment amount. When combined with the potential for capital gains, the dividend aristocrats can provide a solid foundation for building wealth over time. While they may not generate the same level of excitement as more volatile or high-growth investments, dividend-paying stocks can provide a dependable and stable source of income and returns for investors who prioritize long-term wealth accumulation. Number 4. Buy an S&P 500 index fund. The S&P 500 index is a benchmark that tracks the performance of 500 large-cap U.S. stocks, representing approximately 80% of the U.S. equity market capitalization. While it is not a guaranteed way to generate profits, it has demonstrated an exceptional ability to create substantial long-term wealth over time. What is perhaps most surprising to many investors is that the stock market, often considered to be risky, has never resulted in a loss over any 20-year period. This is not to say that the market does not experience significant fluctuations and volatility over shorter periods, but historically, investors who have held stocks for extended periods have experienced positive returns. In fact, the S&P 500 index has generated an average annual return of over 10% since its inception, despite various economic and political cycles, financial crises, and market shocks. This indicates that investing in the S&P 500 index has a favorable risk-reward ratio over time, particularly for long-term investors who can withstand short-term market volatility. Warren Buffett, the legendary investor and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, has been a strong advocate of investing in low-cost index funds. He has stated that over the long run, an S&P 500 index fund is a wise choice for most investors. In fact, Buffett has directed his trustee to invest 90% of his estate in an S&P 500 index fund after his passing, emphasizing his confidence in the index's ability to generate significant wealth over time. Number 5. Buy a rental property. Earning passive income is a crucial strategy for building wealth quickly and over the long term, and owning one or more rental properties is one of the best ways to achieve this. When you own a well-managed rental property, you'll receive a consistent and reliable stream of income each month with minimal additional effort required on your part. While you'll need to find tenants to occupy your property and handle occasional maintenance tasks, your income will essentially be on autopilot. Unlike mortgage payments, which remain constant over time, rental income has the potential to increase steadily as rental rates rise. This means that your tenants will ultimately be paying off some or all of your mortgage, while your property appreciates in value. While owning rental properties may require some upfront investment and ongoing management, it can be a highly effective way to generate passive income and build wealth over time. Number 6. Keep asking for raises. As time passes, the cost of living rises gradually, and as you gain more experience and become more valuable to your employer, it becomes increasingly important to receive regular salary increases. It's essential to keep up with inflation and get paid your true worth. While it's not wise to continuously ask for pay raises and annoy your boss, you should take advantage of suitable moments to justify salary adjustments based on your contributions. It's important to note that those who avoid asking for salary raises are less likely to receive them, so it's a valuable method to increase your wealth. Number 7. Start a business. Many of the world's billionaires have either inherited their wealth, which is more a matter of good luck than strategy, or founded their own companies. Inheriting wealth is often attributed to good fortune, rather than strategic planning, and therefore, it is not a reliable path to building wealth. In contrast, starting a successful company can be a more likely path to generating significant wealth. However, entrepreneurship is a high-risk endeavor, and many new businesses fail within the first few years of operation. Despite this risk, a successful business venture has the potential to yield enormous rewards in terms of long-term wealth. To succeed in entrepreneurship, it's crucial to have a strong business concept that can differentiate itself in the market, secure adequate funding to support the venture, and recruit a talented team to bring the idea to fruition. Number 8. Broaden your education and skill set. If you want to make the most money possible while working for someone else, you need to make yourself indispensable to your employer. One way to do this is by expanding your knowledge and skills in various areas. Having a diverse set of skills can demonstrate your value as an employee, making you more attractive to potential employers and increasing your chances of earning more money. It's also important to focus on developing specialized skills that are in high demand, particularly those in the technology and financial industries. These industries tend to offer high-paying positions and are known for their growth potential. By honing your skills in these areas, you can position yourself for better job opportunities and higher pay. Number 9. Set up multiple streams of income. Building wealth can be difficult if you depend solely on one source of income. Even if you save a significant portion of your earnings, it may take years or even decades to accumulate significant wealth. Hence, to grow your wealth quickly, it's crucial to establish multiple streams of income. A common way to do this is by starting a side hustle that complements your talents and interests. Alternatively, if you're a freelancer, you can increase your income by securing more clients across different industries. Creating additional sources of income provides several benefits. Firstly, it generates extra money that can be used to build wealth or invest in various opportunities. Secondly, it diversifies your income streams, which means you're less vulnerable to financial shocks. For instance, if you lose your primary source of income, you'll still have other income streams to rely on until you find a new job. When looking for a side hustle, it's crucial to consider your skill set and interests. If you enjoy writing, you can start a blog, offer freelance writing services, or create an ebook. If you're artistic, you can sell handmade crafts or offer design services. Additionally, you can consider renting out your unused property or driving for ride-sharing services to supplement your income. And number 10. Live within your means. Maintaining a budget that prioritizes saving and investment is essential for long-term financial stability. It is important to carefully analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can reduce expenses. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you can control your expenses and ensure that you have enough money to cover your essential costs and contribute to your savings and investment accounts. It is also important to regularly review and adjust your budget to reflect changes in your income and expenses. As you work towards achieving your financial goals, You may need to make adjustments to your spending and saving habits to ensure that you are staying on track. In addition, setting specific financial goals can help motivate you to stick to your budget and make smart financial decisions. Whether your goal is to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or build a retirement fund, having a clear objective in mind can help you stay focused and disciplined in your spending and saving habits. Consistently spending less than you earn and prioritizing saving and investment is the key to achieving long-term financial success and building lifetime wealth. That concludes today's discussion. We value your feedback and would appreciate it if you shared your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found the content helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. We look forward to seeing you next time.